Page 22, busy machine. Again, we get to wiggle our fingers. Our finger independence going on here. Just which finger to use, when and where and all that junk. Okay. It can be fun. Who knows? Let's look at this. It's a page long, treble bass clef, 4/4 time signature. I see a bunch of quarter notes and half notes. The right hand, let's do that first because the hands are playing at the same time. The right hand starts here. And it's a 1, 3, 4. 4, 2, 3, 4. That's basically it. Left hand starts here, C position. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's basically what the left hand is doing, except measures 7 and 8 and 2 here. E and G together. So then you put the hands together, and it's here. Using the same fingers in each hand. You're mirroring the hand. That's easy. It just happens. And again, I'm walking here. I'm just transferring weight from finger to finger. That's all it is. And even at that measure 8 here, I'm transferring weight from here to here. Here, except instead of one finger, it's both fingers. 2 fingers get the weight. That's all that is. I'm just transferring weight. You can transfer weight from any finger or fingers to any finger or fingers very quickly. Just once you get the hang of it, you just got to keep at it. It comes, and it just becomes automatic. Then your playing becomes very relaxed. Very relaxed. You do amazing things. The last 2 lines is the same thing, except now it's staccato. Now we're flexing here. And I don't have time to put my hand on the key each time I'm doing this, but it's a very small motion. How fast it goes up to you. You don't have to take it as fast as I'm taking it. Now, once I get the notes and the rhythms and the articulation all that figured out, the dynamics, the first 2 lines is moderately loud, in mezzo forte, both hands. Whatever you think sort of loud is. And then the last 2 lines is soft. Very light, very little weight. And then the speed, I'm playing it too fast, but I like playing fast. I can't help it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember the natural accents. 1, 2, 3. Exaggerate them if you need to. Let the wrist claps on them. Exaggerate. Feel the natural accents. So it's about like that, I think. Something like that. Once you can play this okay with no hesitations, let's play it together. I'm not going to do the dynamics, and we aren't going to play this slow. We're just checking notes and rhythms, so I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 2, 3, 4.